I'm Deborah Koenigsberger, and I am the founder and CEO of Hearts of Gold, which is a New York City-based nonprofit organization that supports homeless mothers and children in shelters. 25 years ago, I met a young woman who lived in a park here in New York City, my neighborhood, and she was sleeping in the park with her 3-year-old daughter. And as time went by and I struck up conversations with her, I learned that she did not feel safe in a shelter because she had been molested in shelter. So she wanted to take her chances outside with her 3-year-old daughter. This made absolutely no sense to me. At around the same time, I met Bobby Brown before she had launched her beauty company, and she invited me to speak at a shelter. Turns out this shelter was right up the street from my business and down the street from my home, and I had no idea it was there. I have a women's clothing store. It's a French boutique called Noir et Blanc in New York, and I opened it in 1989. And I really wanted a way for my business to give back to the community, and I wanted to be hands-on about it. We started with that shelter. It was called the Family Respite Center. At the time, it had 135 moms and their children living there, and we provided support in all kinds of different ways. We're a small, tightly run organization. In 25 years, we've now impacted the lives of over 35,000 moms and children. I love that number because it means that change is happening around the situation. The moms, of course, have all kinds of challenges every day, and now with COVID-19, they are completely stressed and their needs are so dire. We don't have budget for these things because nobody does who expected this to happen. So the best we can do is to go out and ask for support so that we can pass the support on to the moms. These are the ways we're lending support. We are building care packages, and in those packages we put bags of snacks for the kids, hygiene products for the moms, and all the other things that we are stocking up because they don't have the resources to do that. This help is super important. You now have children who are home 7 days a week, 24 hours a day with moms who are used to them being gone for 3/4 of the day, right? Mom has to provide for them, and mom can't go to work. There are no resources for her. In our beautiful thrift store, the Thrifty Hog, where we hire moms and give them job training skills, we had to furlough all the moms that were working. This is an incredible moment in history because our community has been called to help those that need the help. And we are totally capable of doing this. For me, the saddest part is having a child be so grateful when you hand them a snack bag, having a mom be so grateful when you give her hygiene products. It's really sad, but this is what it is. And so we can remove that stress from the mom by providing these absolute necessities and these basics. Hearts of Gold is good at that. We are literally the organization that you call us and within 24 hours you have results. We are totally socially distancing everything. So I'm in here mostly by myself, putting the care packages together, but lots of angels are out there helping to fundraise so this can happen. It's pretty amazing to see how we can actually come together to support our communities. Over 80% of the families in these shelters are of African American descent. 60+% of them are from domestic violence homes. You're talking about people who are hard hit, and then again, they're hard hit again. We can change that. We can make something great happen here for them. If a mom knows that there is someone out there that will respond to the call, she will feel less stressed. So what we do is really vital, and at the moment it's serving a huge need. COVID-19 is bringing people together. It's a crazy thing, but all of this social distancing is bringing people together. The human family, that's who we are. And right now, in this time of crisis, I feel more than ever that we're coming together. There's a lot more to Hearts of Gold on our website, heartsofgold.org, as long as there is the need. We will keep reaching out for the support, and we'll pass that support on to moms and kids who need it so desperately. We are grateful that we are blessed enough to be able to help these families in all the ways that we can, both large and small. And we invite you to come along for a ride with Hearts of Gold. In the meantime, stay well and healthy, and thank you so much for what you're doing to support the community in this time of need.